Make a great choice today with the 2016 GS 350. The GS 350 boasts a powerful engine with a lot of horsepower output under its hood. Yet this beautifully built car remains a luxury sedan first and foremost with its plush interior, high-tech amenities, and impressive standard equipment. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.